AB 2850 euro plus Italian social security RO to embark 1031. If you are an European with a 2-5 certification AB, we need you to join Euro wage scales, European Italian collective bargaining agreement, biggest European ship owner, and if you are general cargo, Bulgarian, Romanian, Ukrainians not valid for this flag as Europeans, sorry. But if you are Estonian, Lithuanian, Latvian, even British, Swedish, you want to go with a smiling Italian crew. Yes, Italians are always happy, nice people to be around and have a cappuccino and they speak in Italian, and you have a basic Italian trade between Barcelona, Valencia to Italy. Huge, 37,000, 67,000 tons. Roros, state of the art, ABs. Really, if you are tired of this cruise in general cargo and you want to be close to your family in Europe, Mediterranean trade, nice weather, nice seas, Mediterranean waters, please apply urgently. Jump from dollar, go to Candina euro, apply urgent. You have the crew inspector link. Like and subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we will be posting these opportunities. There is a huge change today, not only the dollar to euro jump to Candina, but also many different opportunities, because it looks like everything is not changing, and that's not right. Everything changes very, very fast, digital way. AI Candina, apply now, because this is for like about 50, but soon it will be much more, because Europe is very old and we need you young Europeans to apply. Thank you very much. Grazie.